Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove mention on your Instagram story. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit that subscribe to our channel. So by removing mention on an Instagram story means when you mention somebody in Instagram story like this, as you guys can see, I mentioned my friend and his name is clearly seen over here. Now if you want to hide this name, there is a couple of steps you need to do in order to do that. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, then subscribe as I said. Let's move on. First thing first, you want to basically upload a story. So I'm going to upload a story real quick. Like this, I'm going to upload a story. And at the top, you can see the double A button. Click on it. Once you do that, at the bottom, you can see the mention icon. You have to click on that if you want to mention somebody. So click on it. So I want to mention Abhinav Timla again. So I will click on his name again and his name will be displayed over here. Now click on done at the top right. Now you might be saying, but his name is still visible. How have you hidden it? Well, to hide it, you can just click on this little, name and you can drag it anywhere you want, right? Well, you just simply want to zoom it out. Just make sure it's really small. Okay, you can make it really small like this. Keep on zooming it in like this. At this point, the name is not even visible, and you can just drag it and place it at the really bottom corner over here. And as you guys can see, now nobody can see his name. I mean, the name is so small that nobody will even notice it. So it's basically like removing, alright? Because you cannot remove a mention. If you remove a mention, the person will no longer be mentioned. So you have to do this. Just make sure its size is really small and put it in the corner of your screen where nobody could see it. Click on the arrow, click on share, click on done. And basically the photo has been shared on my story with the mention hidden just like this. Nobody can see it. So that's how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.